All right, what's going on, everyone? My name's Kevin. I'm with VIP Auto Accessories. Today we got a 2022 Kia Sorento, and we went ahead and slapped some of our blackout vinyl graphics on here. So you can see this Kia emblem used to be bright, shiny chrome. We went ahead and blacked that guy out, which you can get at shop.vipautoaccessories.com. And if we come along further down here, we also have the X-Line little emblem on the side there for the X-Line models. And if you come onto the back down here, I just think that the black looks a lot better than the chrome that you see in a lot of these vehicles rolling out here on the lot. So that vinyl overlay for the Kia emblem is also on the back here. We have it for the lettering as well to really clean up that chrome look, and it kind of matches the car a lot better with sort of that glossy black and stone look. And we also have these AWD all-wheel drive. Those are some of the other vinyls that we offer to make sure you can get rid of every bit of chrome on your car. Thanks again for watching this short video today, guys. If you want to see more blackout options and vehicle customization, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe button, and then follow us on No Chrome on TikTok.